What is the difference between a class and an object? So this is an object, this is a class. So this is the difference, right? Easy, right? Okay, so just to be clear, the class is just a blueprint. It's just the properties, definition, the criteria that you're gonna be using. It has like, hey, this is a contract that we're gonna be working with. But the object is the actual object. For example, every human has some property. Some humans has or actually, yeah, all humans usually have hands, have leg, have a body, have heart, have mind. This is like the contract that we are gonna be using. But let's say LeBron James, let's say Michael Jordan, let's say Steven Jordan, let's say uh, any human being that's being called a name like Cristiano Ronaldo. Every one of those person is an object. So now let's say, for this example, we have this kind of definition. We have card. This is a property that we're gonna be having. It's this card, and it has like is valid property. So now we're gonna be creating a different objects for, let's say, LeBron James card, and this is the card of LeBron James, and let's see another card for Michael Jordan, and Michael Jordan cards is gonna be have different name. Let's say like 2 2 instead of 2 3. But yeah, this is now a new object. This is also a different object, and each one of those objects has the same blueprint of our card class here.